Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A71, and let me show you how to access user manual on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on Tips and User Manual. And obviously here you have to pick User Manual tab, where you can come along with plenty of useful information. Let's start with basics. And here you've got the general information, so smoothly click on whichever is important for you, for example, battery. And here you can come along with all details regarding your battery. Then under Apps and Features, you can come along with all information about applications and features. Whichever you are interested in, smoothly click and then you will be provided with detailed info. Then let's open the Settings tab, and here you can come along with the description of settings. For example, let's start with connections, and here you've got options: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, payment, data saver, mobile data and apps, SIM card, and plenty of others. For example, let me show you Bluetooth. And here you've got the information about Bluetooth. And finally you can open Appendix, where you can access troubleshooting. Just click here and then you can read everything here and you'll be provided with detailed instruction. And actually that would be all, so you can activate and use user manual in your device in your Samsung Galaxy A71. Enjoy it, use it as often as you need to. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.